Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create Trust Wallet secret phrase step by step. Begin by downloading Trust Wallet from an official app store, then open it and choose Create a New Wallet. When the 12-word secret phrase appears, write each word legibly on paper and double-check the spelling and order. Never store the phrase digitally, and keep copies in separate secure locations for extra safety and peace of mind. Secure backups make the difference between access and permanent loss. After writing your 12-word secret phrase, place one copy in a safe and another in a separate secure location. Consider a fireproof and waterproof container or a safety deposit box for long-term protection. Avoid photographing or typing the phrase anywhere online, and never mention it in messages or on calls. These simple steps keep your crypto accessible and protected. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the handy Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long setup sessions and makes focused work more comfortable. Check the description for the link to the product and other deals that can help your crypto workflow. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Testing your recovery process gives confidence if you ever need it. Use a spare device to restore Trust Wallet with your written secret phrase and confirm all assets appear. Keep the app and device software updated to minimize security risks and incompatibilities. Enable biometric unlock or a strong passcode on the device that holds your wallet for added protection. Regularly review your storage strategy and update it as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.